Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to download Instagram videos without the watermark. Click the Instagram app. Great. Now go to the video you want to download. I'm going to pick this one. Click the three little dots up in the corner of the video. Click link. Now it will save the link. Now there's a bunch of third parties that you can use, but don't use anyone's content unless you have permission. Click Safari. I'm using Snap Insta. Right over there, you just paste your link into the space bar, then press download, but now I have to wait for it. It takes seconds. Scroll down, all the way down. Oops, sorry. Scroll down, all the way down, and then you're going to press download video. The blue one. The blue, right there, yes. And then you click download. And then right there, there should be a blue little circle with an arrow pointing down. Click that, and then it will say your downloads. Click your downloads, and then there's your video. Now you have it with sound, without the watermark, and now it's easily to get. And then you just press the little arrow with the box in the corner right there. Click that, and then save video. Great. You're doing great. And now it's saved to your gallery. I know I've already said this, but please do not use people's content unless you have permission or change it up in some kind of way. If this video has helped you in any way, please like and subscribe, and please tune in for our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.